Today, we delve into a critical yet often overlooked feature of our personal and professional lives: consistency. It's not about achieving instant perfection. It's about the power of steady, incremental progress. It's the little steps we take consistently that accumulate to significant changes over time. Eager to understand how you can cultivate more consistency? Stay tuned. Habits, the linchpin of consistency, form the backbone of our quotidian existence. These ingrained behaviors are largely accountable for the consequences we encounter. Habits operate on a simple principle. A cue initiates a behavior, leading to a reward. This pattern over time culminates into a habit. However, not all habits bear equal significance. We identify certain habits as keystone habits, possessing the potential to instigate a ripple effect, modifying other habits in passage through our lives. Such keystones can be instrumental in effecting pervasive change, laying the groundwork for the sought consistency. It cannot be overstated that habits, as the fundamental constituents of consistency, exert a profound influence on our lives. Their effective utilization can be pivotal to the realization of our objectives. Discipline is the fuel that drives consistency. It's the unsung hero behind every success story, the invisible force propelling us forward on our journey towards consistency. Imagine a world where discipline didn't exist. Goals would remain as wishes, plans as dreams, and success as an elusive illusion. The beauty of discipline lies in its ability to transform these ethereal thoughts into tangible reality. So, how does one cultivate discipline? It begins with setting clear, achievable goals. When we know where we're headed, the path becomes evident. Once this path is illuminated, we can draft a schedule, a roadmap of sorts, that guides us towards our destination. But the journey doesn't end there. Discipline is also about practicing self-control. It's about choosing the challenging path of consistent effort over the easy road of instant gratification. It's about embracing the discomfort that comes with growth and transformation. Remember, discipline isn't a destination, it's a continuous journey. Mastering discipline helps to cement consistency. Now let's see the impact of consistency. Imagine the world-renowned pianist, diligently practicing for hours each day. Their consistency in practice leads to a mastery of technique and the confidence to perform on stage. Or consider the accomplished author who writes a little bit every day. This habit builds a wealth of knowledge and a unique writing style that resonates with readers worldwide. Consistency is not just about repeating the same actions. It's about steady improvement, about growing bit by bit, day by day. It's about honing your skills, building your confidence, and gradually working towards your goals. Over time, small, consistent actions can lead to massive results. They can transform an average individual into an expert, a novice into a professional, a dreamer into a doer. And so, the power of consistency extends far beyond simple repetition. It's a driving force behind personal growth, professional success, and long-term achievement. Consistency, therefore, is a key ingredient in the recipe for success. To wrap up, let's recap the key points. We've delved into the power of habits, understanding how they shape our actions, and ultimately, our lives. We've examined the role of discipline, a vital ingredient in maintaining our habits and ensuring we stay on track. And we've explored the profound impact of consistency, demonstrating how it can transform our lives when applied to our daily routines and goals. Remember, consistency is not an end in itself, but a means to achieving your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Stay consistent.